Good afternoon guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm gonna show you a very random day of a digital nomad or someone who works remotely from Thailand. So make yourself comfortable and have fun watching this video. And today I think I will try to find a place where we can do our laundry, and then I will try to find a hairdresser because I want to cut my hair. So let's see. We wash 50 baht tomorrow and then 80 baht today at 2 o'clock. Found this, the best hair and beauty salon. Sawadika, hairdresser for men?
Yes.
Can I do it now?
Yes. Now, wait a moment. I can start tomorrow.
Okay. Come on, come. So I just finished my hair cut. It cost me like 300 baht, which is I think around 7 to 10 euros, I guess. It's not so bad. It took like 20 minutes. I just wanted to pick up our laundry. I was looking for our laundry in the search of our laundry, and here is our laundry coming. Finally. So I'm trying to find out if I can work here at the coffee club. So I just finished basically working, and I'm gonna go to the hotel. Probably gonna work out or swim a little bit. It's almost 2.5, so I have some time until my massage appointment at 8 o'clock. Alright, I just actually arrived in the room, dressed up, and now I'm ready to go to work out. See you then. So I just finished. Always feels good after the workout. I go to the room, shower, and then see what is the next for today. See ya. Okay, I just had a shower, and now I'm going to grab something to eat, and then continue working until the sunset. Just ordered fried rice with prawns. Doesn't look so bad. I just finished my work again. I'm going to the rooftop to watch the sunset. So it looks like at the rooftop. Alright, so it's almost 8:30. I'm back to the room. It was a really long day, I have to say, but yeah, it was so productive. I also was working out in the middle. I didn't have the chance actually to go for doing a massage, but yeah, I think I'm gonna do it tomorrow because I went to watch the sunset and then I went for a walk. It was first time actually to walk in the city since we arrived, so it was nice. I hope you enjoyed this episode. See you soon. Bye.